Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yes, how you guys doing? Today is so beautiful weather. I had a lot going on, but my two car won't let me move forward. Like seriously, I'm super duper upset with these two little things right here. I planned today when I wake up I'm going to kitchen, check my breakfast, and then I move my day begins. But no, you know, they just throw out through the night, because when they lick their hair so much, and they were eating some butterfly fly on the lamp in my living room. So yeah, the next day they have to throw out kitchen. The rug in my kitchen is super messed up. Like I just have to bring it out and just have to find a way to clean it. It's not this. It's the kind of rug in my kitchen you can't really wash it. It's really strong because they couldn't pee on it, so they have to throw out on it, which is not funny. But it's all good. So how you guys doing? So I have a lot going on at the weekend, because I have a client to go and make up, go and make her face popping. And actually she's not really a client, she's one of my old goodie friends. You know, we know each other for so long, so let's see how it turned out to, and I'm super excited. And also yesterday I had to arrange, after I get back from work, I just have to arrange my makeup kits, which is my box, and which I'm super released from. Like seriously, I always, trust me, I'm that kind of person who love to organize. I'm really well organized. I'm not perfect, but I'm really well organized. I like to organize myself maybe a day before the day, and then I'm stressed up when I get to my destination. I have to look for this, I don't have this. I thought no, just do it before. And I'm going to be preparing dinner now, because later I'm going out for cocktail. I really need to go out because the weather is super pretty and warm, so I'm going to be having some cocktail and ice cream and all those good stuff. Okay, and I'm going to be, what next? Normally I decide to wash my hair today but I'm super lazy. When I saw the throw out from the cats, when I see the vomit, oh my gosh, I was just fed up with everything I planned to do today. But no, they can't stop me. Like seriously, I have to be strong and motivated to do what I have to do, because tomorrow is Wednesday. I have an appointment tomorrow, and Thursday, Friday, so it's already weekend. So yeah, I just have to manage the time I have on my side. Yeah, that's it for now, and I'll talk to you guys later.
We can't get any closer. Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. Let me in this mess I'm falling. Never know. close to the